Okay, there's another breakthrough, another rejection. It's rejecting really nicely though. 5 minutes should just be closing. 5 minute, beautiful rejection. So I'd say entry here on the top of the zone is definitely valid if you can catch one. I don't want 4 contracts, I want 2. See if we can get one more tap or something a little bit lower, get a good entry here before it takes off. I think it's going to take off pretty soon here though. Higher high, yeah, once I make, there's that higher high. Come back down to it, entry here. See if we get a tap. If you had a limit order, you just got filled. I want a clean tap so I can get in.
Order filled.
Okay, I just hopped in. As you can see, 5-point stop loss. It's going to put you just inside the zone, which isn't terrible. But we're rejecting real clean top of the zone here. If you wanted to risk a little more and get yourself outside of the zone, you can move your stop loss just outside of it. I'm on a sim account, so I'm not too worried about it, but I'll leave it at that 5-point. Just so it's like an actual real trade. I want to trade along with you here. So coming up about a point here. My take profit's at 15. If you want to have it at that 10, I think you normally like to go for 10. So I got filled just above, so 75.26. So your screen should kind of look like that, but still rejecting off the top of the zone. I'd like to see a higher high. There's a higher high. We got to get past this EMA. You're at 2.5 points right now, 3. Need to see some more higher highs. I want to close above this EMA. Don't want this to be just a pullback. So far, it's looking really nice trade though. I mean, that rejection off the top of the zone's pretty nice here. I want to see a higher high on this 5 minute, so I'm going to mark that out. Here's our wick. So kind of rejecting off this 1 minute EMA. Still higher lows. I'll make sure that my face doesn't block what you're seeing here. So back up to our 3 points here. Struggling with this 1 minute EMA. Once it breaks it though, it should take off. Our first 15 is about to close. Less than a minute here. So even on the 15, nice rejection. It should definitely close above here. Less than a minute. So there's our 15-minute closure. Coming up to our 15 EMA right now too. 3.5 points. See, we're past that 1 minute as well. There's a higher high. I want to close above this blue line as a higher high. There's 5 points. You're at 5 points right now. Once we close, hopefully we close above this 1 minute EMA and just keep pushing up. We're at the 5 minute right now. I'll move this line up to that 5 minute. There's our 5 minute EMA. So next little hurdle. Still confident though. There's a big rejection off that. We're at the 15 minute EMA here. We closed above the 1 minute though, but instantly rejected. This pullback handle. Kind of slower than I thought it would move though. I mean, we're still off this downtrend. So there's a pretty big drag that we want to see right now. Coming back to our entry right now. Hasn't touched our zone again though. Still above our zone right now. Hasn't touched it again. Creating a choppy zone right now. Directed off that 5 minute EMA here. I think we directed off the 15 as well. We're kind of at the 15 mark right now. When you start creating these choppy zones, the EMA will tend to like cut straight through the middle of the candles. Kind of playing around in our entry still. Kind of need to. We don't really have a direct direction right now. We had this huge downtrend first, 10 minutes market open. We hopped in right after the 10-minute mark. We need to see another volume push into the market. What we're doing. Super choppy right now though. Took a trade early, thinking we'd have a early quick trade, but we kind of got stuck in this choppy zone. So See how this plays out. Still haven't touched our zone again since our entry candle. There's a big candle. You just saw that real quick. Points. See if we get past that EMA. So higher high right there on the 5 minute. Looks like we're getting some volume back in here. Let's keep pushing up though. I don't think. Let me see. Like last night, I didn't see anything crazy for today. Yeah, we're good for the rest of the day. We had some news early this morning, but nothing I'm worried about right now. But let's see, because that's a pretty big candle to make for all of a sudden, without it to keep pushing. All right, we are at 7 points now, higher high, 8 points, keep pushing up. There's 9 points. We're 1 point away from our 10-point take profit, unless you're going for more. I'm not sure. I know you usually let go for that 10. So we're 9.5, 2 ticks away. Let's see if we get one more little push up. It tapped my line, but it didn't fill my take profit.
Target filled.
Okay, there's a target fill. So there's 10 points. I don't know if you're going for more or not, Matthew, or if you were in that one just like that.